Hey, welcome to Try Trying Harder. Today we have the Ridge. I need to thank the Ridge and Best Buy for giving this product a review. The Ridge is a slim RFID blocking wallet. This one is a gunmetal. Carry less, live more. The Ridge wallet is designed to streamline how you carry and organize your cards and cash. Looks like it comes with a cash strap. Features expands to hold 1 to 12 cards. It's a lot of cards. RFID blocking, modular design, backed by a lifetime warranty. Hell yeah. We create everyday essentials to a standard you don't see every day. This wallet is no exception. And something's recyclable. Probably this box. Awesome. Let's just open it up, see what it's like. What is this? Instructions for the wallet? Ooh, sticker. We always gotta like stickers. Welcome. This is heavy duty. It's thick. Nice at getting started. Alright, well I'm not gonna walk through that, but obviously they're gonna tell you about best practices on how to use this wallet. And then they have some other essentials. What we got? Here's the actual wallet. That's cool. Light but sturdy. And then comes with a tool. Probably for these guys. I don't know, we'll find out. And some additional screws. I assume that's probably if you lose the darn things. So let's look at the product. It's some aluminum, all these screws. Comes out this way, so push. But look at the directions. And you pop out your Ridge ID, or whatever it may be. Anything useful on here? Just some good marketing. And just slide your card back in. That's pretty tight, so I don't imagine that my money would be slipping out anywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try out and see how many cards I can fit in here and what it looks like, and we'll be back in a jiffy.
The Ridge wallet comes in a whole spectrum of colors, minimizing your wallet while maximizing your personality. Everything is held together by strong elastic, allowing you to expand your carry and keep it secure. This anodized aluminum plating is scratch resistant to withstand the daily wear and tear. On the back, we have this thin, elastic cash strap that is ideal for cash, IDs, or RFID enabled cards for quick taps. Just be careful about wireless theft on those cards. The manufacturer also offers an AirTag module you can buy to go on the cash strap.
With some YouTube magic, I went ahead and tried this out quite a bit after I unboxed it. I did not try it out like this. This is what 12 cards looks like. It does accommodate 12 cards. That becomes more substantial, thicker, but it does do as advertised. These little elastic straps do pretty good at expanding yet holding things in tight. Pro tip from manufacturer is put the most used cards on the top and bottom, so when you just simply push out to go buy something, you have a quick card there, or it's easy to grab the one on the back because, you know, Lego slides back in really tight. Here's the money clip. I didn't have any issues with the money coming out. A big thing is, you know, they're pushing that guys got to get out of the mindset of having a filing cabinet in your back pocket. This really does slim everything down. They want you to carry it in your front pocket, which I would recommend too. I'm a back pocket kind of guy, and I kept feeling like the dang thing fell out, but it didn't. It just so light compared to my other wallet. But I have a phone and keys, and just in my front pockets didn't want this to get all messed up, or the phone to get messed up. The screwdriver that came with, it's to pop this bad boy off, and it comes with a standard money clip instead of a money strap. So that's handy. They give you the screwdriver to take care of that. Another observation that is a little annoying is that this is very much perfectly fit to a credit card, but not everything's credit card sized. And so sometimes you'll get, you know, a business card or one of those punch 9, get your 10th burrito free. There's just no easy way to accommodate this. Like if it was just like a little bit bigger, like you could maybe slide it into the money strap. But yeah, that's my biggest annoyance, but not really the end of the world. Is just a little bit bigger, and then I can have my punch card or whatever the heck it may be. But it also helps you to not clutter the wallet. So, you know, look at it how you want. This was quick and handy with just having, I don't know what I did, like maybe 4 or so credit cards, membership cards, and even then you could still kind of get the middle ones fairly easy, sometimes a little bit quicker than just flipping out your big old wallet.
Thank you for watching. What are your opinions and questions on this wallet? It's about carrying less but always having what you need. I can see the appeal, but this did not replace my backbreaking wallet. A lifetime warranty is a big perk for the cost, and if you love this, I ran across other owners that were quick and excited to show this as a badge of honor. Give us a like and subscribe, and when it comes to not being a back pocket hoarder, I'll trying harder.